In this video, I'll be showing you the best crosshairs in Valorant. The first crosshair is a standard, moderately sized cross that is great if you're adapting to a smaller crosshair. Enable outlines, then set the opacity to 0.5 and thickness to 1. Disable center dot. Scroll down and enable inner lines. Set opacity to 1, length to 4, thickness to 2, and offset to 0. Turn off both the movement and firing error options. Also, turn off outer lines. Next, we have an adjustable cross. Turn on outlines. Set the opacity to 0.5, thickness to 1. Disable the center dot. Turn on inner lines. Set the opacity to 1, the length between 2 and 5, line thickness to 1, and offset to 0. Disable both the movement and firing error options. Keep the outer line options disabled. Last, we have the crosshair settings. Turn off outlines and center dot. Go to the inner lines and enable it. Use 1, 4, 2, and 0. Feel free to play with the length and thickness. If you like these Valorant crosshairs, then leave a like and let us know which crosshair is your favorite in the description below.